We've all been told that talking to AI is all about mastering the prompt. But what if that's, well, only half the story? We're going to explore the big shift from just asking better questions to building entirely smarter systems for our AI to actually think inside of. To really see what I mean, let's meet an AI travel agent. We'll call him Graham. Now, Graham is about to get a perfectly simple request and make a very understandable, yet very, very wrong decision. So, the user gives Graham this task, and it seems totally straightforward, right? Book a hotel in Paris for a conference. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? And bam, Graham responds instantly. He's confident, he's efficient, he even points out the great Wi-Fi and free parking. The job is done. Or is it? A perfect execution of the prompt has just led to a spectacularly wrong outcome. The AI did exactly what it was told, booking a hotel in Paris, Kentucky. So, what failed here? Was it just a bad prompt? I mean, should the user have been more specific? Or is the problem much, much deeper? A failure of the entire system the AI is operating in. And this brings us to the core distinction. Prompt engineering, that's the art of crafting the question. But context engineering, that's a whole different ballgame. It's the science of building the entire world the AI needs to find the right answer, giving it things like memory, tools, and knowledge. Now, before we move on, I want to be clear. Prompt engineering is not going away. It's still an absolutely vital skill for getting high-quality results from any large language model. Techniques like telling the AI to adopt a persona, showing it a few examples of what you want, forcing it to explain its reasoning, or setting clear boundaries, these are all really powerful ways to steer an AI's output in a single interaction. But, and this is a big but, to build truly intelligent agents like Graham, agents that can handle complex, multi-step tasks, we need to go way beyond just the prompt. And that brings us right back to Graham's second attempt. The user clarifies, right? This is classic prompt engineering, just be more specific. I meant Paris, France. Well, Graham gets the city right this time. But in doing so, he's created a brand new problem, an expense report nightmare that no manager on Earth is ever going to approve. And this reveals the real issue. Even with a perfect prompt, Graham was set up to fail. He had no way of knowing the user's budget or the company's travel rules. He was simply missing that essential context. This is where context engineering comes in. It's all about building a smarter world for the agent, and it uses 4 key components to do it. First up, memory. And this isn't just about remembering the last sentence you said. It's short-term memory for the current conversation and long-term memory for user preferences. So Graham might know this user always prefers an aisle seat. Next up is state management. You can think of it like a checklist for the AI. It tracks its progress so it doesn't, book the rental car before it's even confirmed the flight is landing. Then we add RAG, which stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. Think of this as giving the agent a library card to go out and access specific, up-to-date information, like a company's internal travel policy document. Now, what's really cool about how RAG works is that it doesn't just force the AI to read the entire 100-page travel document. No way. It intelligently searches and retrieves only the specific, relevant sentence about hotel budget limits for Paris. And finally, tools. An LLM can only talk, but tools give it hands. They let Graham actually do things in the real world, like check live hotel prices or make the final booking by calling an API. And here's how this just transforms everything. When you put it all together, the final prompt the language model sees is mostly dynamic information, all pulled in real time. The original instruction from the user, it's now just a small piece of a much, much larger, context-rich puzzle. So if you remember just one thing, let it be this. Prompt engineering gives you better questions, but context engineering gives you better systems, ones that are more capable and far, far more reliable. So what happens when we finally give Agent Graham this fully upgraded, context-engineered brain? Let's find out. Success. The right city, the right price, a convenient location. By having access to memory, state, RAG, and tools, Graham finally accomplished the task perfectly. But of course, there's a catch. Even the most advanced AI runs headfirst into the one system it can't quite engineer its way around: corporate bureaucracy. Seems some problems are beyond even the smartest context. And that leaves us with a final thought for you to take away. As you build with AI, Are you focusing only on crafting the perfect question, or are you architecting the entire world of information that the AI needs to truly succeed? The answer to that is going to define the next generation of intelligent applications.